Well, hello again. I just figured I'd come over to a different room here in Golden View to give you a quick look at the Farrowing. And the reason I wanted to walk over here is to show you the flooring that's been hauled in, so let's take a look. Now here we got, and I walked over to the outside wall just a bit because we don't have lights in this room yet. The heat's running but no lights. But some really impressive looking, good looking Farrowing flooring that came from Nooyen. Now I have to give a shout out to Nooyen, and I really appreciate the fact that they arranged delivery when I was in a different part of the state, because I didn't have to be here when all this was getting carried in. That's a good thing in my books, but it looks really good. The guys are really impressed. They love how it looks, and I'd have to agree that it should serve them very well. So just a quick shot of what a Farrowing room is going to look like, or what it looks like right now at this point.